Hey guys, I'm Ravneet and I welcome you all to my channel. Do you guys ever wanted to control your Android phone from your Windows computer or laptop? Well, today I'm going to show you how you can do it easily without installing any app on your phone. So let's get started. First, you need to download a file in your computer, the link of which will be provided in the description box below. Here is the website from where you will be downloading the file. Scroll down a bit and you can see there are two versions for Windows. I have downloaded 64-bit version for my computer. You need to download it according to the specification of your Windows. I have downloaded it earlier. So go to the download folder. You can see that it is a zip file. Copy this zip file and go to the C drive. Now make a new folder in your C drive and name it as scrcpy. Paste the zip file here and extract it. Once this is done, you need to enable an option in your smartphone to make it work. So take your smartphone, open settings in your phone, go to about phone section. Here you can see this build number. You need to tap on build number 7 to 8 times until you see this kind of pop-up saying that you are a developer now. Do note that locating about phone section will vary from device to device. Now go back and search for developer options. Now go to developer options and scroll down. And you can see an option named as USB Debugging. Enable this option. Guys, it is completely safe to enable this option, so you don't need to worry about it. After that, connect your phone to your computer via USB cable. And open command prompt on your computer. For that, press Windows and X button together, or you can just search for CMD to run it. Once you are in command prompt, you need to type ADB devices here and press enter. You will see a pop-up on your smartphone. Allow it and check the always allow for this computer. After allowing, you will see this type of code. This means that your device is now connected successfully. Now go to the Scrappy folder which you created earlier. Click on scrappy.exe. And you are good to go. You can use your mouse to control your phone. And keyboard to type. Use Ctrl plus F for full screen. Ctrl plus H to go home. And there are other shortcuts for that. Check the link provided in the description. Well, the good thing about Scrappy is the latency is very low, so the reaction time is very less. And it is free, unlike the other apps which are paid and complicated to use. If you feel that it is slow, then you can lower the resolution and bitrate to increase the performance. For that, open Notepad. And type this. Click on File and select Save As. Select all. And add .bat extension to it and save this. I have created it earlier, so I am overwriting it. Your saved file will look like this. Now run it. You will see the increase in performance. You can also do it wirelessly, but the latency will be high in that method. Therefore, the reaction time too will also be high. I will be making another video on this. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. You can use this when your phone screen is broken or when you want to use full-size keyboard for texting or writing email. Please hit the like button if this video was any help to you and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.